In this video, I'll show you how to play Betray by Minor Threat off the Out of Step record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see next time. And here we go. All right, so this is one of my favorite Minor Threat songs, and it's mostly power chords all the way through, but it has super interesting chords changes. And so it starts off with a D power chord, and it goes from the D to the A. And then it hits this open E chord. And you kind of let that ring, so it goes. And then it goes to this progression. So again, all the way through it goes. And then it goes into the verse part, which is basically, you're gonna play that B real sharp. So slowly it's. Then it goes back into that first part, the intro part. Then it goes back into the verse part. So it does that verse part twice with that little first part kind of in between. Then after you do that twice, you go into the chorus part, which is those first two chords again, which kind of breaks up the in-between part. So it goes, and then you do this notey part, which is open, 3rd fret, and then open on the A string. So open and 3rd fret on the E string, open on the A string. So, and then you're gonna play a power chord. So it goes. So all the way through, it's. And then it goes back into the verse part. So slowly it's. Back into the verse. So after you do the verse and chorus all the way through twice, you're going to go to this like slow outro progression, which sounds like this. So real slowly, you're going to hit the low E. Kind of palm muted, with you use your palm to kind of deaden the sound on the low E, and then it's just all power chords, all rooted on the A string. So. And then after that outro goes through a few times, there's going to be this little lead part over the top. It's all going to be played at the 12th position. So you're going to do this kind of rhythm with double notes. So you're going to play the 12th fret by bridging your finger to the 12th fret on the G and B strings. And the first time it goes something like this. And so you're basically playing those two notes and then playing a muted by lifting your finger off and kind of like just holding it, deadening the strings over the 12th fret on both those strings. So then the second time it does this little kind of hammer on the D string from the 12th to the 14th fret. So and then back to that bridge over the two notes on the 12th fret. So. And then the third time, you're gonna go back. It's very similar to the first time, except you're going to also hit the high E string on the 12th fret at the end, so it goes. So, and then the last time, it's just all hammer-ons on the D string from the 12th to the 14th fret, so it goes. And then it continues on with the outro with like a faster pace, but the guitar playing is basically the same. And then the very last time is just slightly different as it ends. It goes. So again, it's. One more time. So that's it for this one. Remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, or what you want to see next time, or anything else you want to say. And I will see you guys next time.